Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 air compressors. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Low Noise Oil Free Silent Air Compressor. Specifications. Electronic, yes. Voltage, 220 volts to 110 volts. Air capacity, 198 liters/min. Cooling method, air-cooled. Power, 1.96 kW, 2.6 HP. Airflow, 216 liters/min. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 40 kilograms. Product number 4, Sucky by 25, 60L Air Compressor. Specifications. Brand name, Vever. Power source, electric. Type, Oil Free Air Compressor. Voltage, 110 volts to 240 volts. Power, 750 watts, 1 HP. Tank capacity, 6.6 gallon, 25 liter/15.8 gallon, 60 liter. Origin, China. Certification, CE. Product number 3, Sucky by Oil Free Air Compressor. Specifications. Brand name, Sucky by. Model number, FB1500D0-20C80. Flow rate, 10.6 CFM. Noise level, 78 dB. Max. Air pressure, 125 psi. Cold flow rate, 10.6 SCFM at 90 psi. Horsepower, 4 HP. Power, 3 kilowatt. Speed, 1,680 revolutions per minute, EU/AU, 1400 RPM. Weight, 134.7 pounds, 61.1 kg. Tank capacity, 20 gallons, 75 liters. Material, steels. Product number 2, Sucky by Heavy Duty Air Compressor. Specifications. Brand name, Sucky by. Model number, YD127-6L. Charging current, max 45 amperes. Input voltage, DC 12 volts to DC 13.8 volts. Maximum working pressure, 150 psi. Maximum airflow, 6.35 CFM. Net weight, 28.1 pounds, 12.75 kilograms. Main material, iron plus aluminum alloy. Product number 1, Vever Silent Air Compressor. Specifications. Brand name, Vever. Power type, electric. Voltage, AC 120 volts, 60 Hz. Power, 900 watts, 1450 watts, 1800 watts. Capacity, 8 liters, 18 liters, 24 liters, 35 liters. Tank material, Q235B structural steel. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.